Hey guys, Abhishek here. In this video, I am going to tell about best rooted apps. If your phone is rooted, then this app will best for you. I have using these apps from last 2 to 3 days. I am going to love in these apps. Without any wasting of time, let's begin. Firstly, I will tell about battery charge alarm. This app is the rooted app, and it is the best app if you want to not overcharge your mobile phones. It will get an alarm when you are uh, when you have to unplug the mobile. It will message you or it will sound you. It will remember you that the phone is getting charged now to the desired percentage. Okay, firstly open settings. I have open settings. In this settings you can customize your percentage, sound, ringtones. I have used this ringtone. Okay, this is my default ringtone, which means, and it is the now 69%. I will set the here it is. You can set the customized battery percentage. I will give it to 69 only to show you how it is working. Okay, 69. You can use this low battery percentage when the battery gets low, or you have set the percentage to 15%, 20%. It will also get an alarm. I will show you how it is working. Yes, I am set to the 69. Now this is in charging, and we have to wait for 1 to 2 seconds because I just now set it. And now see this, it is working. Slide to unplug to or slide. Just unplug it, and it will just the pop-up or the message will go. It is the best app in which you can, your battery will not be overcharged. Like this, preview alarm, charge battery alarm, this like this. On this is the preview. If you want to, you have set the details, and you want to see that it is working or not. That's why it is an alarm. You have to give all the permission, and please note that you have to turn off the battery optimization in this app. If the battery optimization is on, it will not work. Okay, so you can use disable alarm, then it will just disable the app, and now it is not working, but you have to enable it, and it is now working. Heading towards the next app is the cleaner app. This means cleaner pro light. This app is the cleaner app. It is an also rooted app. You have to give the root permission here. This is the best app for cleaning process, and all the apps, you have to clean your mobile in almost 1 week, once in 1 week, or once in or 2 times in 1 month, every month. So it will clean your every cache data, empty folders, and other miscellaneous files that are generated by the apps which have you have uninstalled the apps, but the file or the app data has not been uninstalled. Then that will be done by this app. This is the battery calibrate app. It means like you have to drain all the battery to 0 and charge that to 100%, and now it will be get calibrated. Switch on the phone, 100%, 10 minutes, calibrate now, shut down. This is the process. And it's not for everyone. Let's go to the next view, storage viewer. It will give the storage, maximum storage. What is the storage of your mobile? It's getting calculating now. This, for this I will tell you. Firstly, it's have been just started. Firstly, when you start the app, you have to go to settings and set the Android version according to your mobile Android. If you are working on 5 to 10 Android version, just click on this. If your Android version is about 10, just click on the 11 to latest. Okay, it will be work now. It is not in premium app, it is in app. So in this you can give most of the options. You have the storage viewer. After hitting the Android version, it will get the storage. Now it is calculating all the storages: internal storage, multi-user internal storage, OAT storage, Delvic cache. It is having the option that storage uses. Headings towards the next and log cleaner. It will clear all your logs globally. Okay, just use very carefully this app without, because this can delete your mobile system data also. So that's why just use very carefully. It is having an option one tap cleaner. One tap cleaner means it will wipe all your cache data, your custom data, cache trap, temporary files, cleaner, wipe it. But just use with that the pop-up came about what about the user, that it is give the disclaimer that this will deleted, this will, so just use by reading all that. Just don't go and next, and it will wipe all the data. Your important files also get deleted. So please use by carefully. And empty folder cleaner, it you get that how it will clean all the empty folders will get cleaned. Now the empty folder now had all successfully had been cleaned. Okay, just it is having one internal storage cleaner. Internal storage cleaner, it will clear all the unsafe folder. But if you have given any unsafe folder or you have data in that folder, so it will get cleaned. So please have a look when you are getting cleaned. Okay, there is an additional and premium. This is a premium settings. If you are not getting that code, so you can, it is a free app, so it will work. Most of the functions are not working because of the premium version. It is not the premium version, but most probably everything is working now. Okay, heading, it is in best app for the cleaning process. Heading towards the next app, it is the new backup. This is the backup app. If you want to take any folder backup, app backup, it is the best app for the backup. So what you have to do, if you are using a custom ROM or flashing ROM, new ROMs, so you will need this app for the taking apps backup. Just go on to the backup folder. It will have the list. It will, you have to give the folder permission. I will create a new folder. This will, I will give neo, I will give 1. Okay, neo 1 will be on, and just simply hit use this folder, allow. And now we are using this folder and we are seeing the backup apps. It is having the system apps, backup apps, system apps, and the downloaded apps. All the apps it is showing. See, this is the Android apps. That means you are using with the system apps. This is the downloaded one, 1DM and one tap cleaner. We will go with the one tap cleaner. This is the one tap cleaner app. Just see all the, it is having options: for skill, uninstall app, disable app, launch app, app size. It means app size. This is the app size here. It is the version of the app, data size, cache size. Okay, it will all backup. Just hit the backup button once and it will ask you what you have to want to backup. Just OBB file. It is the most OBB file. This security is not that much priority, but you can backup it. APK data, external data, media, all that you have to backup. Just go on, and now the backup has been creating. Now let's see. This is the backup has been created here. Once we will try uninstall that one tap cleaner app, where it is one tap cleaner app. We'll just simply uninstall it. Okay, now the app has been uninstalled, right? It is not in the system apps or drawer. We will install it from here. Just hit the restore button. Okay, and it is restoring. Oh, it has been restored. Let's see. See, it is has been restored with the full access. Allow. it has been accessed. This is in one app that we have to get backup. Okay, it is the restored apps which has been the history has been coming, having the settings here. It is having plenty of settings, many more options. Language, theme we have to set. Accent color, I will find purple, save. This will accent will be changed. Secondary color, black. Theme, backup folder, you can change the backup folder from here. Okay, device lock, biometric, you can give the biometric lock to that. Singular backup mode, restore, plenty of options. Here is the service app. Encrypt means you can password get set password on the backup folder you want to share with anyone, and have you have want that it should not be misused by any other person who have taken accidentally or wrong typely. So you can encrypt with a password, and you have just hit the save button and it will be get, and every backup folder has been encrypted by the same password. Okay, it is having delete backup, copy own apk will be got copied. Tools in advanced option, having plenty of options. It will take many more time, so we will go further. You can check out this, it is having more options. Service, okay, and a home page. Now it is fine working. It is having, you can see this, that has been backup. Delete that backup, you can delete the backup from here only. Okay, the backup has been deleted. This is the app you have to take, you can just take the backup of the system apps also, another sorting things. Okay, just apply the filter according to you, and it will get work. Going next to the app is the batch uninstall. Previously I made a video on batch uninstall that I have not been rooted. This is app, the rooted app. In this rooted app, you can uninstall the system app also. They are the system apps. These are the system apps. If you are unable to find which system app you want to uninstall, don't use system app to be uninstalled, because if you have uninstalled any system app mistakenly, after rebooting once, it will go to the boot loop, or your OS will be get corrupted. Okay, just if you are using any, if you have downloaded in any app and it is showing in the system app here, you can uninstall that, but otherwise don't use it. It is very dangerous for the system apps. You can use user app also. Here from you can delete the user apps. Likewise, I have made a video previously on that. I will use one app for uninstalling it, like this one tap cleaner. Just uninstall. Okay, now it has been uninstalled. Now the app has been uninstalled. This is the batch uninstaller with root function, but just use very carefully. Don't use, otherwise your mobile will get stuck in the boot loop, or the OS will be get corrupted. So just use very carefully. The next app is the AdAway app. The AdAway app is also a rooted app. It is the app which block your ads. It will just block your ads. Okay, this is the app you have to give. I will just clear that previous data when I was working. Okay, your list. This is pause an app. I will just show how it will work. Preferences. Not, it is not request. Preferences, your list, leave it. I will go with the settings here. Okay, I will show it from first when it will get started. Default apps, AdAway, for stop clear cache, where it is. Okay. So storage and cache, clear storage. Now it will get from work from starting. How it will work, I'll have it is having the root permission and the VPN is a bit slower. By using VPN, it will work very slow, but using root access it will work very fastly. In the root access it is battery friendly also. It will not consume your battery more, but using VPN it will uh, use that battery more and more. Just go with the root based app. Okay, next, allow the permissions. You can donate to the developer here. It is a free app, so you can, if you are loving it, just donate or go with the version. It is a free open source app. Now it is checking all the data. Okay, the data. So now you can have you what from the day I am using that, it has been blocked 31,719 ads here, and it is working very fine. Just I install it and allow all the permission, and it will just work clearly. You can see, and it is working on all the websites. And if you are downloading any movie, and regularly the ads come while downloading, so while using this you can block all that apps. The ads will not come. Okay, it is the last app in the our app list, and here we will wind up the session. Okay, so you will get all that download links in our Telegram group. Please join our Telegram group. It will, the link for the Telegram group will in the description. And if you will love this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video to your friends also. Thank you.